it's your girl Uchudicula, Uchudisa girl, and I am back with another lit vid. Guys, tell me, why am I thinking of vlogging at 8 p.m? I mean, it's literally at night. Instead of me sleeping, I am thinking of vlogging for you guys. Wow. But I think, guys, this is entirely inspired by Forever Living. Guys, lately I have been so invested and researching with all my life with Forever Living. Guys, I want to change my life. I am so tired of being broke, guys. And if there is one thing that I have been doing as I'm on holidays now, ne? You know, guys, I'm an educator right now. It's holidays. So if there is one thing that I have been doing over these holidays, I have been researching about Forever Living like a headless chicken. Like, yo, guys, I'm even thinking that I'm insane. Sometimes I even pinch myself just to see if I'm still myself, guys. I have researched about them, the founder. I researched like everything, like, guys, literally everything. And at the back of my mind, I'm like, you know what? If I want to achieve what I want to achieve, or I want to go where I want to go, I have to start thinking rich. I have to start doing changes, like changes in my life, things that are leading me to the way. Yes, I know I'm not consistent, I'm not patient, like I'm literally not patient at all. And then I know that I like starting things and never finish them, like start this and that and leave them hanging. I get bored of things. You know what? Like, I get excited that, yo, I'm starting this, and then along the way I just got bored, and I want quick change, guys. I want quick change. But I told myself that, you know what? If there is one thing that I need to invest myself on, is this Forever Living. I must just invest all my time on Forever Living. And as a matter of fact, guys, I am joining Forever Living next month. Your girl Gexana, and I want to go with you, like, step by step, guys. I want you to see me growing from Forever Living. I want you to witness all my milestones with Forever Living, guys. Like, yo, guys, you have no idea. You have no idea, guys. This is what I want to do. Like, I want to do it with all that I have. So today I was like, you know, let me go to Dragon City. Let me buy a few things, like, for my bedroom. You know what, guys? If you want to dream, like, properly, you want to have, like, peaceful dreams, you are at the space where you are comfortable, you are at the space where you can think outside the box and everything, I think that should start in your bedroom. So I went to buy things for my bedroom. I want my bedroom to be pure white, guys. I mean pure white. Okay, I want it to be pure white, guys. So I went to Dragon City. I bought this. Oh, guys, I love this. Okay, this, I think it's for couch. It's for couch, ne? But for me, it's gonna be for a bedroom. The texture is so hard, and I don't know, man, but I love it. I love it, but the texture is very hard, guys. And I love the design. You see the design is very nice. And then my headboard is navy, so I think it's just gonna, like, comprehend my headboard, I think so. I'm not quite sure, but I love it in any case. And then I went on, and then I bought 2 standard pillows, ne? I bought 2 standard pillows, mainly because I want to change the continentals. I don't like continentals anymore, guys. I'm outgrowing them. I don't know why, but I don't want continentals in my bedroom anymore. I don't know, guys. Let me know how you feel about continentals, but for me, it's a big no. It's a goodbye for them. From now going forward, I don't want them anymore. So I went for this. I'm adding on the 2 that I have, and then I went on and I bought the pillowcases, ne? I bought these pillowcases because I want my room to be pure white, especially in terms of bedding. I want my bedding to be pure white. So when I'm cleaning it tomorrow morning, which is I'm planning to be with you guys, as I will be preparing for church tomorrow. I want to go to church, guys. I want to improve my spirituality. I want to improve how I go to church. I don't want a situation where I go to church only on big days and never ever again. Umfundisi, see me now, see me no more. I want to continue going to church now and then. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to church. I was supposed to start vlogging tomorrow, actually, but I was like, no, let me just open this vlog. And then it is the combo set for frilled combo set. Yeah, it's a frilled combo set, you know, the one for covering the mattress. Is it mattress? Yes, and the base and what you say. This is the combo. You see, it is pure white, guys. I mean it. I want pure white. Like, I'm not gambling, I'm not joking, guys. I'm just not joking. And then the main lady of this, guys, yo usingaye ke sana, yabo. Oh, guys, what is this, guys? My bed is gonna be pure white. I don't know who's gonna wash the things, but my bed is gonna be pure white, guys. That's on pair. Woo! Guys, you have no clue how much I'm feeling right now. And then last but not least, I bought the mat. Is it a mat? The mat is gonna be on the side of the bed, ne? This is the mat I bought. Oh, guys, it's so soft, very fluffy. I feel like sleeping with it, guys. The way it's so nice. Like, look at it, guys. What is this? What is this? Okay, it's not a good quality. I can see that after a few washes it's gonna just lose its shape, or it's just gonna turn or something. But for now, guys, it is still the girl. It is still the girl that it thinks it is, guys. Yo, I love it. So, guys, that is the big change that I want for myself. I want that change for myself. And obviously, guys, I don't have the best bedroom ever. I still don't have pedestals on the side. I still don't have a lot of things, guys. I want to transform my bedroom, and I think since I have moved to this new place, that is the place that I want to focus on or at. I want to start by my bedroom and my kitchen. I want them to go concurrently. So I will just be doing smaller things in the kitchen as well as smaller things in the bedroom. And then I think the bathroom and the kids' room will be the last project. But at the moment, I'm currently focusing on my bedroom and also the kitchen, guys. And I'm also thinking that I'm just gonna be sharing much vlogs or videos on cooking, guys. I'm trying to cook, guys. I'm learning to cook, so I want to learn with you guys. So I would like you to stay tuned, watch me growing in everything, guys. I don't even know why I started vlogging at this time, honestly speaking. First of all, I don't even have good lighting. Second of all, I don't even have iPhone or best Canon camera. I'm just using guys, if ningaboni phone yam kuningi. But either way, content must go. Guys, let's see each other tomorrow before I start rambling. I'm sure actually I'm already rambling, but let's get this vlog going. The same night, Saturday, so we were too lazy to cook, so we just ordered, and then here we are here to fetch our order. Oh God, I'm blessed, guys. These are my two beautiful blessings. I love them for me, son. So here we just fetched our order and went back straight home, and here we are eating, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, good night. This boy understand the assignment. He came just when I was about to film, and then I told him to come. Look at him, how he's hanging there, right? Afternoon, guys. Molweni kwakhona. I last spoke with you yesterday, and I promised that I was gonna go to church today, or I was under the impression that I would go to church today. And then a lot happened, guys. You understand? I think I slept around past 4, like past 4, and then obviously I couldn't make it. I couldn't wake up around that time because my church starts at 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock I was fast asleep like dead. So right now I'm just going to the mall to get some few things. I think I'm going to just make grocery or just addition to grocery. I'm not sure. And I'm also hoping to also get my son's lay-by. I made a lay-by with Mr. Price long time ago, and then I did not fetch it. So I'm hoping to also get them still open, because now the time is around 1, and then when I come back I'm also hoping that I'll also do a haul, his haul, like clothing haul, once I get that back. So guys, let me not waste time, let's bounce. Oh, it's so cold outside, guys. It's so cold. That's why ngifake le pompo. Wakhona bantase, just an update. Now I am done at the mall. Amafoni kimke, guys. Ningbonile ndineshori saying I'm going to buy groceries and to my surprise, when I got to Mr. Price, I realized that I didn't even pay half of the lay-by, like 50% of the lay-by. So I had to pop up more money than I like anticipated or I thought. So I therefore didn't have more money for groceries, so I ended up compromising on the groceries. But lay-by, it's out, guys. So you stay tuned for seeing my son rocking it, doing his thing, like enza dume ngazo, guys, yabona. So now I am off to my place, ngiyaphuma manje emall. So yeah, Yeah, guys, I couldn't even buy something to eat, guys. That's how much I'm broke, and I don't even have petrol. That's even worse, guys. Life is a bee. Guys, tell me how I got home with this petrol. Guys, it's not even funny anymore. Economy, if I catch you. Anyway, guys, this is what I was able to get. Obviously, the rest had to be returned. Yo, amahloniki migesana. Anyway, it was already late, and then I just made supper. Just a quick one, guys. And then, as I promised, I made my boy to fit. Here are his clothes. He's rocking them like a small king. Guys, a junior king, I guess, son. As you can see, the shoes, they are dirty, so they are not new. Only the tracksuit is new. And then where he is going to crash, guys, I don't know how he comes back. He is extremely dirty, so I had to go for this darker color because wow, uningi, guys. I don't know how we became parents as young as we are, guys. Not just starting parent wires. But anyway, he was so happy, extremely hyperactive, even felt. But you know what, these ones, they soldier on, sana. Yo, you wouldn't even see anything, sana abajampis. Anyway, he was very excited. This takes us to the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I also enjoyed filming, guys. Love you loads, sana. With God's love, never fail. Mwah! Bye. Hey, akasaziphici. This paper was irritating him all the time. Like, it was irritating him, and I had to start by fitting him before I remove it, so that if it doesn't fit him, I can return it. Bye, yo.